Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. F of x over 3 equals to x square negative 2x positive k. In the equation above, k is a constant. If f of 2 equals to 20, what is the value of f of negative 2? Here we have a value of the function, that is f of 2 equals to 20, and we have to get the value of the function f of negative 2. Okay, if I want to get the value of the function f of negative 2, first we have to get the value of the constant k over here. For that, we have to use this information, that is f of 2 equals to 20. Okay, here inside the parenthesis we have 20. So now I have to get some value for x over here, so that we'll be getting 2 over here. What value should I plug in over here for x, so that this x over 3 will become 2. So I should plug in 6 for x over here, so that 6 over 3 will become 2. So now in this function I have to plug in 6 for x, that is 6 over 3. The same 6 we have to plug in for x on the right side as well, that is 6 square negative 2 times 6 positive k. Okay, here f of 6 over 3 is 2, that is f of 2 equals to, on the right side the value of 6 square is 36, negative 2 times 6 is 12, positive k. Already we have the value for this f of 2, that is 20. We can plug in this 20 for f of 2 over here. Then we get 20 equals to, when I combine this positive 36 and negative 12, I am getting positive 24, positive k. My aim is to get the value of the constant k. For that, we have to subtract 24 from both sides of this equation. When I do so, this positive 24, negative 24 will cancel out. When I combine positive 20 and negative 24, I am getting negative 4. On the right side, we have k. Okay, here I got the value of the constant k. Now, the given function is complete. So we have to plug in this negative 4 for k over here. Then I'm getting f of x over 3 equals to x square and negative 2x. Now at the place of positive k, we have to write negative 4, the value of k. So negative 4. Okay, here our aim is to get the value of f of negative 2. Inside the parenthesis, we have negative 2. So here I have to get some value for x, so that the value of this x over 3 is equal to negative 2. So what value should I plug in for x over here? Then this x over 3 will be equal to negative 2. So I should plug in negative 6 for x over here. So that when I divide negative 6 by 3, that is equal to negative 2, the value we have over here. Okay, now let me plug in x equals to negative 6 in this function. Then I'm getting f of negative 6 over 3. On the right side also I have to plug in this negative 6 for x. Then I'm getting negative 6 the whole square, negative 2 times negative 6, negative 4. Okay, f of, when I divide this negative 6 by 3, I am getting negative 2. Okay, here when I evaluate the value of this negative 6 the whole square, it is 36. Negative times 9 will become positive. 2 times 6 is 12, negative 4. Okay, f of negative 2 equals to, when I add 36 and 12, I am getting 48. When I combine positive 48 and negative 4, I am getting positive 44. Okay, here I got the value of f of negative 2. Its value is 44.